In today's video, I will be going over all of the beginner trading mistakes, some simple tips and tricks to make you a successful trader, and I even will be giving you guys a good strategy to use as a beginner trader. But before we hop into the video, for all of those who are new to trading, I want to tell you that it's mainly psychology, guys. You know, it's not about luck, it's not about skill, it's not about the pattern, it's not about what the chart has did in the past, guys. It's about predicting the future, guys, and your psychology, the way you think, will affect a lot of things when it comes down to trading. If you don't believe me, just stay tuned to the end of this video and you will see exactly what I'm talking about on how your mind will affect these trades. If you don't know me, my name is KINGLATTA and I have been self-employed since the age of 19, and I have started up a 6-figure trucking business, which I do teach all over the channel. So if you want to learn how to make money easy doing trucking, guys, just by driving a truck, go ahead and subscribe. Check out the videos of trucking in my channel. I also teach you how to build your credit fast, and now I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade because I have picked up the skill of mastering trades. But with all that being said, man, stay tuned for more after the intro, and let's get to winning these trades. Let's get it. Woo! As you can see, guys, we are over here on Pocket Option, and if you're trading binary options, Pocket Option is one of the best brokers to use in the USA because sites like QuotesX and many others aren't available in the United States. So we have to be subject to Pocket Option. So with Pocket Option, guys, you have a lot of options on this platform, guys. You can obviously and easily pick your tools right here. You can get the Ray tool, and you can, you know, set your lines. You can set your support and resistance lines, guys. Also, you can get the Fibonacci retracement on here as well for more of your longer term trades. And also, guys, you can take this off, delete this. And my favorite tool, and a pretty useful tool besides these, you know, horizontal lines, because let me show you something right here. If you have a horizontal line and you wanted to test this line right here, boom, you wanted to test this line right here, because recently on the 1 minute chart, which is what I'm on, guys, the 1 minute, as you can see up here, you know, this is the resistance that it is, you know, coming to, you know what I'm saying? So we have this line, but we don't have no zone. We don't know where else this, you know, chart can touch. So what you would simply want to do is you want to change that line into a rectangle. You want to take your rectangle tool, and now you can put the bottom line on where the bottom of the candlesticks touch, and then you want to put that top line on, you know, another point of the top of where these candlesticks have been touching. So now you can see we're at the top of where these candlesticks have been touching. And also, guys, over here, once you take it over here to the left, you can see we're at the bottom of where the previous candlesticks were touching. So this is a good zone right here. So this is telling us that maybe we might just hop out of this zone and come back up. Another good strategy, guys, another good way to tell where this chart right here is going just by looking at it is this W right here. So you will see these W's, and sometimes you will see M's. So you'll see the W turn upside down, guys. So what this W means is that the candles will shoot up, guys. More likely it'll shoot up. It'll be on an uptrend for a long time. And if you do see a M, let me just delete this real quick for you guys. But if you do see an M, guys, an M pattern, which you can see right here. So on this M pattern, you will see that you will see, you know, a lot of red candles going down, because that is after it formed the M. So we will have a support line at the bottom of these candlesticks right here, and then boom, at the bottom of these candlesticks, you should expect that chart to go down even more, guys, until it wants to make its way up. And more likely after it makes its way up, we're gonna have another W, and then we're gonna have another long stretch on an uptrend going back in the other way. And let's just see if I can prove this on the previous history behind what I'm saying to you guys, because I don't want you to just be like, ah, he's just talking. But anyways, as you can see, we have an M right here, perfect M, and it's going down. Now it went up, we shot up, and boom, as you can see, it's probably another M right here, but at the same time, we have a W. We have this whole W right here in this circle right here, and now the graph is shooting up, guys. We're on an uptrend right here, and we're gonna stay on this uptrend. And when you guys are trading, you can see I'm at the 1 minute, but you wanna be at the 5 minute when you are scouting these charts, guys. And what it means to scout is, you know, pretty much when you're going through charts. So as you can see up here, I got McDonald's, American Express, Pfizer. As you're going through these charts, you want to be on a higher time frame, and then you want to work your way down. So that is a big key in trading as well. You want to be on this higher time frame, then you want to work your way down. So as you can see, on the 5 minute on McDonald's, we are on, you know, an uptrend, just kind of previously coming off of a lot of support and resistance. It was staying still. Maybe a downtrend. No, it looks like we're on a constant uptrend. And then as you can see, we can go ahead over to American Express. As you can see on a long time frame, we are on a downtrend. So we're on a downtrend on American Express. And so maybe when you're trading, guys, when you're scouting, this is why time frames are important, because now you will see a lot of support and resistance right here, and you can just see support and resistance, a slight downtrend. But if you go ahead and start doing your down, time frames, you will see that you will see more differences in these candlesticks, guys. So even though we're still on a downtrend right here, you can see we had a major drop right here. So that way we have a lot of support and resistance to try to bring this chart back up. So this is the 3 M's, and then we go to the 1 M on the American Express. And as you can see, guys, we might just be on an uptrend. Let's see if I'm right. And boom, we are not on a consistent uptrend, but as you can see, this support and resistance is looking like it's gonna be headed back in that up direction. But on these previous 2 candlesticks, we have 2 big bullish candlesticks right here, 2 red candlesticks, and we could be going back down. But the thing about American Express is that it's always zigzaggy, it's always flip-floppy. So for the next 3 minutes or so, we might hit this line right here back at the bottom, and then we might be going back up. So what you would want to do in this case, if you're trying to trade American Express, is you want to just simply wait for this to hit back at this bottom line, or wait until the red candles are over with, until you start seeing some green. So in this case right here, guys, if it was a couple minutes ago, boom, you see some red candles, boom. As soon as you start seeing green after this big bearish candlestick right here, maybe you want to go ahead and place that trade for the up position. So on the opposite right here, we have a lot of red. We're gonna have some red, more red, and it's still pushing down. But once it gets to about right here, guys, this line right here, because as you can see, we have two touches right here, so it might touch a third time, and then we're gonna go ahead and go back up into the green. So you would want to place a 1 minute trade or a 2 minute trade for an up position. So why is it important to place minute trades and not second trades on pocket option trading binary options? Is because if you want to trade 5 seconds, for example purposes only, I'm going to place a trade right here. If you want to trade 5 seconds, guys, it's more risky. So we're on a downtrend. Let's trade with the trend, because the trend always wins. Boom, we got it at a good point going up, and it's 5 seconds. So now we're going down, and as you can see, we went down and went right back up just in the nick of time and close the trade on a draw position. So guys, as you can see, the 5 second is way more risky. 15 seconds is risky as well. So if you do a 1 minute trade, guys, and you place that 1 minute trade for it to go in the down position, because we're gonna go with the trend, because the trend always wins most of the times. We're just gonna see if this can continue to go down real fast, and like I said, once it hits this line right here, then that's when you want to place a up position. But guys, this is the basics of trading binary options. You just want to be patient. You don't want to let your emotions get to you, because if you let your emotions get to you, you lose one trade, boom, now you're trying to get into the next trade as quick as you can to make that money back, but you're not doing proper technical analysis. You're not properly looking at the overall trend of what things are doing, because like, look at this, we are in a downtrend on the American Express, but if we go to the 10 minute, guys, we might just be on an opposite uptrend, or American Express actually just might be a constant downtrend all day. But actually, no, I'm wrong. We are on an uptrend. We're supporting and resisting on American Express, and as you can see, that 1 minute trade is about to close, and it looks like we're gonna lose it, guys, because of the fact that these candles can do anything. It doesn't matter the pattern. It doesn't matter what happened in the past. If the chart wants to do what it wants to do, it's going to do what it wants to do. And that's the thing about trading these binary options. So just keep your emotions intact. If you do proper technical analysis and have the right strategy, you will win, guys. And I do have a good 95% win rate 5 second strategy right here, guys. Check that video out and you can learn how to, you know, trade binary options in just 5 seconds. Even though I said 5 seconds was risky, but this strategy is about a 90 to 95% win rate. You just have to follow all the steps correctly every single time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, man, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the family. If you haven't done so already, man, check out the links in the description, the useful links. Check out the Calendly so you can learn one-on-one how to trade, how to start your online business, or even how to start your trucking business. Don't forget to check out the YouTube memberships where you can get exclusive trading tricks for a very cheap price. And also we do have a lot of ebooks on the Lotta eBooks store. Remember, scared money don't make no money, so you have to be risky sometimes in life, and with binary options is the perfect time to try your luck, to try to be risky so that you can make some major profits. With binary options, you can make up to $1,000, even $10,000 a day with only laying a finger on a keyboard. That is the power of trading. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video so that we can get this video pushed out all through the YouTube algo so more people can learn how to make this money the easy way. This is Black Investors Group, where we do make money the easy way. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video because we do post daily. I'll see you tomorrow. Woo!